Now we are going to question number 6. Simplify the following. There are 4 questions A, B, C, D. So I'm going to do A and D. You will do by yourself B and E. Okay. So simplify the following means you have to add those numbers. Since here it is given in the question, it is given to add. So 23.77 plus 145.239. So these two are unlike decimals. Here after point there are 3 numbers. Here also I have to make 3 numbers after point. 2 numbers are already there, so I'll put 10 here to make it 3. And then I will add this 2. Okay. So how you will add? 23.770 you have written. After that, point will be in the same row. Okay, in the same line. So point will be in the same line. After that, you will write this side 145 and this side the 3 numbers after point. Okay, 239. So it is 145.239. Then you will add 0 plus 9 is 9, 7 plus 3 is 10, 0, 1, plus 7 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 0, 1 is left out, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 1. Okay, in this way you will add. The points should be in the same line. Then this side and this side you will write the numbers. So answer you got 169.009. And 6 number C. You see the question 502.44 minus 340.2 minus 100.75. So at first, as I told, that you have to make like decimals. After point there are 2 numbers. Here also 2. Here only 1. So you make it 2 by putting 0 here. Okay. Then you add 340.20 from 502.44. Subtract. Okay. I have subtracted 502.44 minus 340.20. Subtracting I got 162.24. See here. 162.24 I got after subtracting this from this, and then minus 100.75 I have written here, and then again you will subtract 100.75 from 162 minus 24. So here it is 162.24 from 162.24 you are subtracting 100.75. Okay, so you got 61.49, right? So in this way you will find out the answer. And in the next D number, you see D number. What is the question? 892.501 minus 821.32 plus 11.402. Here at last plus comes. Okay, so you will, this is positive number. This is also positive number. This one is negative number. So positive you will write together. Okay, first of all you will make this all like decimals. Here after point there are 3 numbers, here after point there are 2 numbers, here after point there are 3 numbers, so you will make it 3 by putting 0 here. 3 3 3 after point. And then since this is positive number, as I told before, this is also positive, so you will write these two together and this one at last. Along with the symbol, it will go at last. And then you will add this 2. Why I am writing this 2 together? Because due to the Bodmer's rule. Bodmer's rule says that first addition comes and then subtraction. So first you add this 2 positive numbers, you add, then you subtract. Okay. So by adding this 2 you got 903.903, and if you subtract this one, then you will get 82.683. So this is question number 6. Okay, and other questions you will try at home, and this is your homework. And the questions which I am leaving for you, you do at home, and these questions you write from here only directly in your copy. You copy these questions in your copy, and which one is given for you to do at home, you do it as your homework. Okay. So question number 7, What is the question number 7? You read first. A water tank had 1000 liters of water. If 450.75 liters of water was used on day 1 and 205.59 liters of water was used on day 2, how much water was left in the water tank? Suppose एक टैंक में 10 लीटर वाटर था, पानी था. If you will use 2 liter of water in the first day and 3 liter of water in the second day, then how much water will be left out in the tank? पहले 10 लीटर था, उसके बाद पहला दिन तुमने 2 लीटर यूज़ किया, उसके बाद सेकेंड दिन तुमने अगर 3 लीटर यूज़ किया तो ये दोनों ऐड होगा. 2 plus 3 will be 5 and that will be subtracted from 10. So 5 liter will be left out. Just I have given one example. Okay. So in that way here also, first of all, a water tank had how much liter of water? 1000 liter water. Water used on day 1, this much, 450.75 liters. Water used on day 2, 205.59 liters. So total water used. How much water is used in 2 days? First day and second day is this two will be added. Okay, 656.34 liters water is used. And then how much water will be left out? From 1000 you have to subtract this one. 656.34 you will subtract. So 1000 you will make it 1000.00 because after point there are two numbers. In this number there are two numbers. So you will make like decimals, okay, by putting 0.00 with 1000, and then you will subtract this one from this one to get the answer how much water is left out. So the answer is 343.66 liters. Okay, and the last but not the least, from this exercise I am doing this as a last question, and if possible later on, okay, if we'll get time then we'll do it other questions 9, 10 and 11. So 8 number you see, what value needs to be added to this to get this? Okay, so what value needs to be added to, suppose I am giving you one example. What number needs to be added with 2 to get 5? You know that it is 3, but how? Suppose what numbers needs to be added? Let x needs to be added with 2 to get 5. Okay, so x will be is equal to, this 2 is adding here along with x, so it will go this side and it will be subtracted. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So I got x is equal to 3. 3 should be added with 2 to get 5. In this way I will do this sum. See here, let the number to be added be x. Let the number to be added be x, okay, according to question. So with what we have to add x to get 107.8, with 94.76 we need to add x. Okay, so according to question, x plus 94.76 is 107.8. That means x needs to be added to 94.76 to get 107.8. So x is equal to what? 107.8 is in the right hand side. If you bring this 94.76 from left hand side to right hand side, it will be subtracted. Plus is here, it will be minus this side. So 107.80 minus 94.76, you got 13.04. Therefore the number to be added is 13.04. Okay, you will write the number needs to be added is 13.04. Thank you so much.